Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create Amazon machine image from an EC2 instance in AWS using the AWS console, as well as how to create a new instance using the newly created Amazon machine image. I have logged into my AWS account. So now before creating the Amazon machine image, we need to have an EC2 instance. So first let's go and create an EC2 instance. Click EC2 here. Click launch instance. First we need to give a name for the instance. I'm going to call it as a demo instance. And then we need to select a AMI image. So I'm going to select it as a Ubuntu image. And I'm going to use the default AMI, which is the Ubuntu server 22.04 LTS, right? And the architecture also I will leave it as a default. And the instance type I'll use the T2 micro. So now we need to create a new key pair. I'm going to create a new key pair. So I'm going to call it as demo VM. And then I will use .pem and then click create key pair. The key pair demo VM has been created. Okay, so the remaining everything I'm going to use the default. So but if you wanted to change the network settings, you can change it. So we'll create a new security group, but I do not want to have the new security group the launch wizard one name. So I'm going to click edit. I'm going to give the name as demo VM SG security group. Security group. So along with the default inbound security group rules, I'm going to add one more rule. And here also in the default source type, I'm going to change from anywhere to my IP. And then add security group rule. So I'm going to give a HTTPS access. So this I'll give it as anywhere. So I'm going to go with the default configure storage. And in the advanced settings, I'm going to leave everything as default. Okay. So only thing is I'm going to install Apache 2 in this instance, right? So let me add the script for that. So this is the Ubuntu system. First let's do an update. Now we need to start the Apache 2. Start. And then we will check the status. Okay, so we are good. So now we'll click launch instance. So instance is getting launched, creating security group rules. Okay, so the instance has been successfully launched. Click this. So it has been successfully launched, but the instance state is still pending. So you need to wait till the state becomes running, as well as the status check becomes 2 out of 2. So while it is coming up, let's explore the other configurations. So we can see whatever values we set, right? All these informations is available as part of the details section. And in the security, you'll be able to see the security groups and what are the inbound rules and the outbound rules. And here you can see the public IP using which we'll be able to access the system. And in the status checks, you can check the status, right? So it says system status checks is running and the instance status check is running. So now we should be able to access the Apache server running in that system. Let's copy the public IP address. So we could access the Apache 2 running in that system. Okay, so now we are good to go. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create an AMI from this instance. Click image and templates, create image. We need to give a image name. So I'm going to call it as a demo AMI. Okay, this is optional, but still I will call it as a demo AMI. Okay, now click create image. So it is currently creating the image. So it is telling you ensure that AMI is available before actually deleting this instance. The AMI image has been successfully created. Let's try and launch an instance from the AMI. So I'm going to give a name, demo VM1. Right, so here you can see it is showing me the AMI as the demo AMI. So the remaining all configurations I'm going to leave it as default. Key pair, I'll select the previously created the key pair. And the security group also I'll select the previously selected security group. And then click launch instance. The instance is getting created and we could see the instance has been successfully launched. Okay, so the instance is coming up now. The new instance, demo VM1 instance, which we created from the new AMI image, is successfully running. Now let us try and access the Apache server that is running in that instance. Let's copy the public IP. So we are able to successfully access that. Now we could see we have two instances. First is the demo instance. We created an AMI image out of the first instance, and from that AMI image we created the new instance. In this demo, we have seen how to create an EC2 instance and then create an Amazon machine image from that instance and then create a new instance using that newly created Amazon machine image. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.